Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to correctly connect a plug. For the task you will need a tape measure, a plug, some side cutters and a screwdriver, whether Phillips or flat, all depends on your plug that you will have. Okay, so let's start by stripping the outer insulation from the cord. Firstly, measure 35mm from the tip of the cord to where you will start to strip the insulation. This will ensure that the individual cords are not too long when you connect them inside the plug. Once measured, take your side cutters and carefully cut the outer insulation without cutting all the way through into the inner insulation of the cord. Rather bend the insulation for it to tear instead of cutting the insulation all the way through and damaging the inner cord insulation. A damaged inner cord insulation may result in a short. Once the outer insulation has separated properly, all round you can remove it by pulling it gently. Once you remove the outer insulation, it will reveal the 3 wires that was inside the insulation. Your cord should look like this now. You should see now a green and yellow wire, which is the earth, a blue wire that is the neutral, and then lastly you will see a brown wire, which is the live wire. Once you have removed the outer insulation, you can now concentrate on the 3 inner insulations. On the green and yellow wire, take your side cutter and with a gentle squeeze and turn action, pull off around 1 centimeter of the insulation. Pull very gently so you do not break off any of the copper strands on the inside. Once you have cleaned the tip of the green and yellow wire, you can now cut the brown and blue wires slightly shorter. A good guide is to cut them where you cleaned the earth wire so that they can be a bit shorter than the green and yellow wire. Now that the blue and brown wires are cut to length, you can once again take your side cutter and gently squeeze and turn on the insulation of the blue wire and pull it off gently. Now do the same with the brown wire. Twist each strand of copper wire gently to make it a bit stronger and to keep all the little copper wires together. Your 3 wires should look like this now. Let's have a look at the plug quickly before we connect the wires. Most plugs have indications on where which color wire must be connected. You will see on this specific plug it shows blue with the letter N. Then opposite that you will see the word brown with the letter L, and then at the top you will see the words green and yellow with the earth sign. Not all plugs have these indications on them, which can make it rather difficult to remember where the wires must be connected. An easy way to remember is that the word brown has an R in it, and so does the word right. The word blue have an L in it, and so does the word left. This is an easy way to remember that brown goes right and blue goes left. Okay, now that you know where which color wire must be connected, let's start by taking the green and yellow earth wire and insert it in the top part of the plug so it is in line with the cord. Now connect the brown wire on the right and the blue wire on the left. Behind the 2 bottom pins you will see 2 lips facing each other. Ensure that you give enough slack inside the plug to ensure there are no strain on the wires. Now push the cord with a thick insulation between the two lips to secure the cord so there is no tension on the wires when you work with the cord. Before you close the cap of the plug, ensure that there are no wires that can be pinched between the plug and the cap when you close it. Once you are satisfied, you can screw the cap back and you are ready to use the plug. You can also say, "Now I know." If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.